In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to University of Florida. If you're planning to apply, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to understand exactly what the university expects so you can submit everything correctly and on time. I'll walk you through the main parts of the application process in a clear and simple way. First, you'll need to submit your application. If you're applying as an undergraduate freshman or as a lower division transfer student, you'll use the Common App. As you complete the application, you'll be asked to choose your preferred starting term, such as summer B or fall. University of Florida notes that selecting one of these terms does not affect your admission chances, so choose the option that best fits your plans and schedule. If you're applying as a graduate student, the process is a little different. Instead of using the Common App, you'll need to browse the graduate programs offered by the university and apply through the UFF Graduate Admissions Portal. Make sure you select the correct program before moving forward, since graduate requirements can vary depending on the department. Once your application is ready, the next step is to pay the application fee. The fee is $30 and it is non-refundable. This payment is usually completed online when you submit your application materials. It's a good idea to double check that the payment goes through successfully, because an unpaid fee can delay the processing of your application. After that, you'll need to gather and submit your required documents. Start with your transcripts. You should request your official high school transcript, and if you've attended any college or university before, you'll also need to send those academic records. Be sure the documents are sent in the official format required by the school, since unofficial records may not satisfy the application requirements. You'll also need to submit official test scores. University of Florida accepts SAT, ACT, or CLT scores, and these should be sent directly from the testing agency. That direct submission is important because it confirms that your scores are official and valid. Finally, be prepared to include details about your activities and written responses. You'll need to provide a list of your high school involvement, including things like jobs, clubs, sports, and community service. This helps the admissions team understand your experiences outside the classroom. You'll also need to complete the required University of Florida short answer responses, so take your time and answer thoughtfully. Before submitting everything, review your application carefully to make sure no documents or sections are missing. A complete and accurate application gives you the best chance to move forward smoothly in the admissions process.